Andy, heartbreak both for you and your team, having fought back from 2-0 down and 3-1 down to draw level 4 minutes from the end, and then to concede that goal in injury time.
Not heartbreak, Mike, to be honest with you. It's one of frustration, disappointment. It's immature from us. You know, it's gone on too many times now, which is costing us. We can talk about as much all night of us huffing and puffing and stuff like that. That is the smallest man on the pitch with the last minute of the game having a tap in from a corner. It's just not acceptable. And we don't deserve anything if we're going to behave like that on the pitch.
It was a crazy game, Andy. It could have finished 10-all.
It could have. If I'm honest with you, I think on reflection on the game as a whole, you know, we've started the game really well. They score against the run of play. Our keeper has to make 2 great saves to keep us in the game. We fight back. Their keepers had to make saves. We get back into it at 3-3, and we should see the game out. And as I say, a simple corner with the smallest man on the pitch sticking the ball away. It's just not acceptable.
You're particularly brave when it comes to substitutions. You made 4 changes with 22 minutes to go, and those substitutes really played well.
Yeah, but we had to, Mike. We had to try and get back in the game with 3-1 down. So if we're going to continue to make or concede 3 goals, you know, it's going to be difficult every week. And that's the last 2 games again now. 3 goals this week, 3 goals last week, set plays last week, set plays this week. You know, it's easy to keep giving us praise because our youngsters are coming on the pitch and having a go. But if we're not going to defend properly, our youngsters have got no platform to go and win games for us.
Well, the table doesn't lie. Newtown have got a point this evening. You meet Newtown here on Tuesday night. It's a huge game in a race to stay in the Cymru Premier.
Well, my team better turn up and want to defend properly then, aren't they? Because if we don't, we're going to get beat by them as well. Because they're a big, strong, physical team. If we can't stand up to that, then we're going to concede goals again. So that's the first thing that we need to do. Give ourselves a platform, hopefully can go on and score some goals, win the game. But we're going to have to defend an awful lot better than what we've done tonight.
Wel, y tîm falle'n meddwl bod y cyfle'n fuddugoliaeth wedi mynd, ond yna cic gornel, a beth ddigwyddodd wedyn?
Cic gornel, pawb jyst i methu fe. Ni jyst yn too good to be true. Tap yn, diolch.
A neb yn agos at y ti?
Neb yn agos o gwbl. Ydyn meddwl bod fi'n offside, ond edrych o gwmpas, diolch.
Ian's a threat at all places. If it's set plays, even or out of play, out of possession, whatever, he's a threat with his pace, and I'm glad to see him getting a bit of confidence, getting 2 goals today.